Good morning. Let us continue the problems of warm-up session. Okay, so let us start. Second question. If A is equal to sin cot inverse x and B is equal to cot sin inverse x where x greater than 0, then find the value of 1 by x square minus x square. Options A by B by A, C, A square by B square and D, B square by A square. Question. If A is equal to sin cot inverse x and B is equal to cot sin inverse x where x greater than 0, then find the value of 1 by x square minus x square. Options A by B by A, C, A square by B square and D, B square by A square. Okay, here we are given two inverse trigonometric functions and we have to find out the value of this expression. Okay, in all of these type of problems, just take a substitution for the terms inside the bracket. Okay, that is here take substitution for cot inverse x and sin inverse x. Say theta phi or anything. Okay, that is put theta is equal to cot inverse x and phi is equal to sin inverse x. Which implies x is equal to cot theta and x equal to sin phi. Okay. Now our question becomes A is equal to sin theta and B is equal to cot phi. Okay, that is just take a substitution for the terms inside the bracket, say theta and phi. Now we convert A into the terms of cot theta and B into the terms of sin phi. Okay, for that we use the basic identity cosine square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. By using this identity, we convert A into the terms of cot theta and B into the terms of sin phi. Okay. For that is in order to use this identity, sin theta as 1 by cosine theta. Okay, here no need to change cot theta, cot phi. Okay, that is now find out the value of cosine theta from here. That is now we get cosine square theta is 1 plus cot square theta. So cosine theta is square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. Now we find we get cos phi is equal to cosine square phi minus 1. Okay. Cos square theta is equal to cosine square phi minus 1. So, cos phi is equal to square root of cosine square phi minus 1. Okay. Now, substitutions for cosine theta and cos phi. Just substitute these substitutions here and simplify. Then we will get the value for A and B in terms of cos theta and sin phi. Okay, just try yourself and we will see after 5 minutes. Now we have reduced expressions for cosine theta and cos phi from our basic identity. Now substitute these expressions for A and B. That is, A become 1 by cosine theta become 1 by square root of 1 plus cos square theta. We have taken substitution for cos theta and x. So, A become 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. Similarly, take substitution for cos phi. That is, B become square root of cosine square phi minus 1. We have taken substitution for sin phi as x. Then cosine phi is 1 by x. So, B become 1 by x square minus 1. That is square root of 1 by x square minus x square root of 1 minus x square by x square. Okay. Now we have converted A into the terms of cos theta and B into the terms of sin phi. Now we find out our required expression. Okay. So we obtained values for A and B. Now consider our required expression 1 by x square minus x square, which can be written as, just take LCM, then this becomes 1 minus x raised to 4 divided by x square, which can be written as, that is, numerator can be written as 1 plus x square into 1 minus x square. Just apply a square minus b square. Okay. Then 1 minus x raised to 4 become 1 plus x square into 1 minus x square. And denominator is x square. Okay. Now we have a is 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. Okay. Now we get square root of 1 plus x square is 1 by a. Okay. Then 1 plus x square is 1 by a square. Okay. That is, we have a is 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. A square, we get 1 by 1 plus x square. Now, we have to find out the value for 1 plus x square, which is 1 by a square. Similarly, we have b is square root of 1 minus x square divided by x. Then just take the square of b. That is, b square is 1 minus x square divided by x square. Okay. So, this 1 minus x square divided by x square is b square. So, the value of our required expression is b square by a square.